So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. Today's video is a very important video because why? Well, President Donald Trump, well, first of all, Congress just passed the US stimulus bill. This is the biggest bill. It's a $2 trillion bill. And hours later, President Donald Trump signed off on that bill. And we're gonna go over today what exactly that bill entails and what that means for everyday people like you and me watching this, or like you watching this video. If you're an Uber and a Lyft driver, how do you get the $1,200? How do you get that thousands of dollars that they promise to, you know, tons of Americans around the country? If you have a family, if you have kids, if you're single, if you're married, if you do your taxes, if you work, if you make under, I think it's $99,000 a year, you qualify to get money. So we're gonna talk about it today and how to get the money. I know in the past I've talked about how much money it is, how much they talked about. Well, now it's signed. So what do you do from this point on? So I'm just gonna go ahead and sync up my computer here. Before I do, guys, I just wanted to say, drink your vegetables. I got my juice here, pressed juice. This is actually my citrus one. I had my vegetable one this morning. I'm not doing a juice cleanse. I'm just supplementing juices into my daily, you know, meal intake. So, you know, this morning I had a couple eggs, bacon, toast, and then I also had my big vegetable juice, juice, fruit, and vitamins. I'm taking a lot of vitamins and supplements right now, guys, to try to boost my immune system. And I'm also exercising. As you can tell, I'm super, well, I've been going out in the sun every day trying to get my vitamin D, but I'm also taking a lot of supplements too. You guys know I'm taking vitamin C supplements, taking echinacea, elderberry, zinc, copper, vitamin D3, I believe. Those are the main things that I'm taking. And obviously a little bit of vitamin C. I don't want to take too much vitamin C because if I do get sick, you know, I don't want my body to be so used to a large intake of vitamin C. So if I do get sick, I'm gonna take a ton of vitamin C, but right now I'm just taking a little bit. But yeah, so yeah, let's get started. And cheers, guys. Whatever you guys are drinking, whatever you guys are doing to stay healthy, cheers. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I hope everyone's looking forward to get some money, because I know I could use it right now. And the reason why it did get passed is because there are so many Americans who are hurting for cash right now. And not only right now, guys, but in the next couple of months, if this still is a thing, you know, it's gonna start getting ugly out there. A lot of people are gonna be short on cash. And I myself have even said $1,200 is not enough, but it still is better than nothing. And also, if you already signed up to be an Uber driver and you did forget to use a referral code, you could also still qualify for that $1,000 bonus or guarantee, whatever it is, depending on your market. So go ahead and use those instructions in the description, because that could be an extra good amount of cash. So all in all, you know, you're talking about a couple $1,000 that you could get. So yeah, let me just sync up my phone here and you guys can follow along. I have a really interesting article that basically just explains everything, and you know, they're gonna lay it out way better than I can. So here we go, guys. Ooh, this one is spicy. Is there ginger in here? Oh, mint. Mint and lemon. Okay, interesting combo. Last time I just put this in my fruit smoothie, so I didn't really taste a whole lot. Ah, I forgot to have spinach this morning and kale. Oh my gosh, how did I forget the kale? I just bought kale last night. Guys, you guys know Elias? Do you guys remember Elias from the Instacart videos? I literally hired him to go do my shopping because I have asthma, you know, and I'm high risk, so I don't want to go to the grocery store, so I literally paid my friend to go shopping for me. I was like, you know what? Might as well pay my buddy rather than do Instacart, because Instacart doesn't do Trader Joe's, and Instacart also doesn't do like cases of water, and I also need like quarters for laundry and stuff. So I was like, there's just too much stuff, so I had Elias do it. So thank you, Elias. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna scroll down in 3, 2, 1. Stimulus checks are coming. Here's how to make sure you get yours quickly. So guys, act quickly, don't wait on this. Because trust me, there's gonna be a lot of people, probably millions, who try and get their checks, so you wanna be the first one. Ooh, this one's good. This is a good juice. Shout out to Pressed. Spoiler alert, if you haven't filed your taxes since 2017, now is a good time to get that done. So, they go based off your taxes. So, I'm gonna get into that in a second, but you know, if you're watching this and you're like, I wanna, like, while this video is going, start doing your taxes. Here we go. Americans should start getting relief checks within 3 weeks, Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin said Thursday, March 26th. I guess that was yesterday. Yeah, here we go. Consumers eager to, well no, what is today? Today's the 27th. Okay, so yeah. Consumers eager to receive their stimulus checks from the government's historic can't say that word, aid package need to make sure they are up to date on their taxes. Once stimulus measure is passed by the House and signed into law, wait, is this the wrong? Oh, I was like, what the heck? Okay. So yeah, it is signed into law already. So this article was yesterday, but it's basically saying if it did get passed into law, which it did. So yeah, here we go. Once a stimulus measure is passed by the House and signed into law, which it is, distributions come via the IRS, which would use 2019 taxpayer forms to determine how much a person's check should be and where it should be sent. If you guys haven't heard, the deadline to file your taxes for 2019 have been delayed 3 months. So if you haven't yet filed your 2019 taxes, they're gonna go back and look at your 2018 taxes. So if you didn't file your taxes, because I know a lot of people just don't, file your taxes. Yeah, if, like I said here, if 2019 forms have yet to be filed, they would use the information from 2018. So if you haven't filed taxes yet for one of those years, now is a good time. The step is especially important for low-income Americans who don't typically file taxes. In that case, they would still need to file a form. Here you go, guys. All you guys who didn't file your taxes, you need to file a form. People receiving non-taxable income would still get checks. There you go, guys. So even gig workers. Oh, that mint. Oh, excuse me. People receiving Social Security benefits will also get the payment. It's not necessary to download special software, use a tax preparer. The IRS has 2 paths for free filing options. One for those making under $69,000 and another for those making above $69,000. Both can be found on irs.gov. That's where you want to go, guys. But hold on a second. Individuals making up to $75K a year would receive checks for $1,200 with an additional $500 a child. The payments would progressively decrease for individuals making more than $75K with an income cap of $99,000. So if you make over $99,000, which I know some of you guys watching definitely have, because I know you guys are out there driving a lot. Sorry. Americans should start getting checks within 3 weeks. By comparison, the IRS took 3 months to distribute checks in 2009. to battle the Great Recession. Some experts say that because of budget cuts and obsolete technology, the IRS would need months, if not weeks, to send out payments. This is an important part, guys. Listen up. I read this and I was like, oh shoot, that's a problem. I don't think any of the policymakers have given any thought to the practical implications of actually doing this. The IRS doesn't have the resources to do it, Howard Gleckman, a senior analyst at the Urban Institute Tax Policy Center, told Reuters. People who are planning on receiving paper checks and have moved since they filed their last returns should submit a change of address form, which would normally take 4 to 6 weeks to process. Taxpayers can get their checks a little faster if they sign up for direct deposit with the IRS. So make sure to sign up for direct deposit so you just go right into your account, your bank account, guys. To register for direct deposit, people should indicate it as the refund method on their tax form. So with that being said, again, this is not legal advice, but I assume if you have direct deposit, like it said in here, you're gonna get it faster. The IRS has set up a special landing page on its website, which it will update as more information becomes available. Currently, the webpage says stimulus payments check, no information available yet, no sign up needed. Instead of calling, please check back for updates. So yeah, their page is not yet really ready. Like, this is their page, this is the IRS page. No information available yet, no sign up needed. So yeah, there you go, guys. Have it. You like check that. Make sure to keep checking back that site to get your updates. But yeah, direct deposit. There you guys go. Like I said, they say 3 weeks, but the guy that that senior analyst said it could take up to months. So that's how you get your checks, guys. What are you guys gonna do with the money? Let me know. Throw a party for yourself. Quarantine party for yourself? I don't know, let me know. All right, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.